Nowadays, laser welding machines are gradually replacing traditional welding methods such as MIG, MAG, or TIG welding because it is easier to operate, low maintenance cost, better welding effect, and the price is more and more affordable. And it is a non-contact processing method that can weld many metals such as stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, galvanized sheet, and so on. It won't pollute the environment. Laser welding machines are becoming more and more popular with many customers. Now, many customers have a very heavy workload. They need automation and mechanization. Exactly, our company, XTLaser, can also provide you with the robot arm welding machines. Now, on my right, you can see our robot arm welding machines. Now, let me introduce some of its parts and configurations to you. You can see our machine are composed of 5 parts: control cabinet, robot arm, welding head, CCD camera, and the welding work table. First of all, this is our welding machine control cabinet. It includes laser source. The brands we recommend is Vicus and RPG laser source. Then, it is water chiller. The brands we recommend are Hanli or Bingyue. Then you can see our control system. Then, this is our robot arm. The brand is Japan's Kawasaki. It has 6-axis drive, multi-directional welding, and it has high speed and high precision. The arm span is about 1.7 meters. Next is our welding head. The brand we recommend is WSX, double swing head. The sport modes are available for several types, such as circles, dot, and triangle, and so on. It can also increase the automatic weld fitting function. Next, behind the welding head, the red one, you can see this is our CCD camera. You can see the welding details here through the visual screen. Finally, here is the welding working table. You can fix the welding workpiece here and then set the welding program. It will automatically weld according to the track and automatically work in batches. If you are interested in our welding machines, please feel free to contact us. We will send you more details and recommendations. Looking forward to your cooperation. Thank you.